So did you guys see that?
Crazy to y'all. I look extra aggressive.
Yo, you look on. Yo, like for real, my
Oh,
yo.
no.
Bugging out.
Oh, no.
Oh, no. Like, you lucky I don't hurt you, yo.
Are you kidding me?
This house is on fire.
Just threw that apple in my face for no.
Put hands on. What the?
I'm going to the county.
I look crazy.
Did you see that, babe?
Yes, I did.
What do you think? That's crazy.
It is crazy, but I'm not surprised. I've always known that dude, Vado, and I said it then, I said I will never date a guy
She
like
said
that.
Vado.
I know what I was talking about. The energy he brings, someone that is thinking about his girl's exes, that can't be healthy. And what you just saw right now, it's not like, oh, he lost his cool. This dude has been doing it forever. That he forgot that he was in front of a live audience, a live
TV,
camera,
national TV,
and his secret is exposed. This is just a low value man, and all those men that didn't react, I feel sorry for all their spouses. They are exactly the same way. You see a black woman getting choked and you didn't flinch?
Yo, like for real, my
Oh,
yo.
no.
Bugging out.
Oh, no.
Like, you lucky I don't hurt you, yo.
Are you kidding me?
This house is on fire.
Yeah, that's
I'm
crazy.
freaking pissed off at that.
There's a lot that's wrong with this.
Yeah.
We have other videos we've done about marriage boot camp, the hip hop edition, in this particular season, season 17. And we will continue to do those videos because a lot of people are stuck on bullshit.
Of course.
Okay?
Making excuses.
Oh, they're not really married. Why are they on the show? Shut your ass
It's
up. It's the
relationship.
same thing in every relationship. The only thing that makes a marriage different is maybe sexual part of it and the fact that you're committed to one person for
and then
life.
you're signing papers.
Your signing paper is legal. Okay? When it comes down to managing the relationship, it's the same issues. So if you're married out there, you're not watching that show or any other shows like Love and Marriage and stuff like that. This is why you struggle in little things. And this is why you struggle in your opinions about things like this. Mm-hmm. Why is a grown man saying, well, he didn't really choke her?
That's crazy.
He just grabbed her.
Now, if you look at the video, which I'm going to show you in this video here, it doesn't look like he fully choked her. He just looked like he grabbed her. Now, if you look at the video, which I'm going to show you in this video here, it doesn't look like he fully choked her. He just looked like he grabbed her.
I can't.
So that's a grown man that said that. I just watched it literally, you know. And then why is it that all the men in that room except Dr. Ish was the only one who was completely shocked by that whole situation? Everybody was kind of like numb and still.
Yo, like for real, my yo.
No.
Bugging out.
Oh, no.
Like, you lucky I don't hurt you, yo.
Are you kidding me?
This house is on fire.
And just there, right?
Because they have normalized that shit. That's what the issue is.
All right, so it's not, as always, it's not a matter of right and wrong. We just want you to see what's going on in people's lives, relationships. These are real things. You need to learn how to manage all of this stuff. People just don't get physical overnight. This guy has been insecure.
Yep.
It's shown like it was so evident that he was insecure from day one. Starting from him talking about how she relates with other men. Okay, and there, by the way, many husbands will do that in one mild way or extreme ways. They do that when you're worried about the other man, when you're relating with your woman. That's insecurity.
It is.
Okay, that's insecurity. If you're worried about your woman complaining a little bit or something like that, and you can't really find it in you to see it as an opportunity to give to her, that's insecurity. The problem here is that the insecurity levels are extremely toxic in a lot of relationships.
Very toxic.
You know, so I'm looking at this, and people are more concerned about why would VH1 want to make money from it? Are you dumb? Okay, it's a business.
Duh.
And they signed papers knowing this were business, knowing that they're going to live their life. And kudos to Tahiry for actually making that clear. Like, listen, I knew what I was signing up for. No, if I knew it was going to get physical, I wouldn't do that. Well, here's the thing. People getting physical does not start with them getting physical. You could tell in their demeanor, in the way they handle themselves, in the way they lose their cool in just simple arguments.
Did you see his eyes when he was looking at her?
Yeah.
Oh my God, before he lunged for her neck? God, that guy needs help. Period.
So there's no normal woman that will see that clip that will basically that there's no normal woman that will see that clip that would not be shocked.
Yep.
But it's shocking to me, maybe not, but we got to do better, man. Gentlemen, we have to do better. Fellas, we have to do better. Like the idea that about 4 grown men were in that room, and it's actually one of the like they were enemies. What's her name? Izui was basically like more like
she was more concerned.
She was more concerned.
Yeah.
Even though they were not on the same page before, they were not friends.
Yeah.
But she was like, "Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
This house is on fire.
Right? Like, come on, we have to do better."
Everyone else was numb. Like, oh, it's okay. I'm not gonna mind. I'm gonna just mind my business.
I was more pissed off at the comments that I'm seeing on this clip than Vado. Vado is just a guy. We didn't know any better. He needs healing. He needs to seek help, and he needs to learn how to be a man. It's a low valued man. I will agree 100% with that, right? And
AKA Dusty.
You said something. She on a past episode something about that she said he's a broke. He's a broke guy. He's a broke guy or something like that. If a woman says that to you and that makes you lose your cool, that's a testament that you need to work on yourself. Let's even say it's not true. Let's say you are rich, but that got to you. That made you lose your cool. You need to work on yourself.
Yep.
That means you're not emotionally centered. You're not strong emotionally. And you don't need to be in a relationship as a man if you can be emotionally strong. So that clip we just saw is a extremely sad clip right there, and I'm sure you guys would agree. And but more importantly, the reason why we do this review of this marriage-related shows, because this is happening in somebody's house, and we appreciate that they put these clips out there, and the people that are in the business of doing this do that because some people catch healing from it.
That's right.
So if you have a problem with people making money, you're gonna have problem with building and nurturing relationships.
Okay.
That's it right there. Like right there, the evidence is everywhere, but maybe you can't see it. Let me repeat myself. If you have a problem with people making money, you will have a problem with nurturing relationships. You will have a problem learning how to center yourself, how to build yourself, have emotional centeredness, and as a man especially, you can find yourself reacting to everything a woman says in a manner that you lose your cool. That proves her point that you are a weak
man.
Something.
Jesus, keep your hands to yourself, bro.
All right. See you on the next one.
That was annoying.
Peace.